Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about CapCut video editing apps. And in today's video, I will show you how to sign into your CapCut app like a pro. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up your CapCut app. And it's going to take you right here. There are so many ways by which you can use to sign in to your CapCut app. You can log. So you have TikTok login, you have sign in with Google, you have sign in with email, you have sign in with Facebook right here. So in this tutorial, I'm going to go ahead and simply sign in. So I'm going to go ahead, click on sign in with Google right here. Go ahead and click on continue. Then go ahead and set your date of birth right here. Click on continue. Click on OK, and you are done. You have fully signed in and have access to all features in CapCut. Just like so, you have your edit tab right here, you have your template tab right here, and you have project tab right here, and you have your main icon, which is your personal profile right here. You have your username right here. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how to use CapCut video editing app, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.